So, the Supreme Court on Tuesday clarified that the constitution of high powered committees and state government to decongest prisoners will not stand in the way of remission boards considering applications for remission of prisoners under sections 432 433A of the Code of Criminal Procedure. A vacation bench comprising Justice L. Nageshwar Rao and Aniruddha Bose clarified that the order passed on May 7, which directed the high powered committees to consider grant of parole on interim bail to identified categories of prisoners to decongest prisons during the pandemic will not affect the functioning of remission boards. In the May 7th order, there is no mention of release of prisoners entitled for premature release under Section 432 433A of CRPC. It is clarified that the competent authorities, the remission boards, etc., shall continue to proceed with the release of those who are entitled to premature release under Section 432 and 433A of CRPC. The bench ordered. The bench passed the order in an application filed by Advocate Tala Abdul Rahman, represented by Advocate Shoaib Alam, who pointed out that remission boards are not taking up remission application after the constitution of high-powered committees. The May 7 order was passed by a three-judge bench led by the Chief Justice of India in the Suo Motor case in contagion of COVID virus in prisons, in which a slew of directions were issued to decongest prisons during the second wave of pandemic. Last year, during the first wave of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Supreme Court had directed the constitution of high-powered committees in all states to consider the release of convicts and under trials in less heinous offences on interim bail or parole so as to decongest prisons. The Supreme Court had suggested that the high-powered committees could consider the release of prisoners who have been convicted or are under trial for offences for which prescribed punishment is up to 7 years or less with or without fine, and the prisoner has been convicted for a lesser number of years than the maximum. The high-powered committees were to consist of chairman of the State Legal Services Committee, the principal secretary, home and prison by whatever designation is known as, Director General of Prisons. When the pandemic started to recede by November to December last year, many high court and high-powered committees cancelled the interim bail and asked the prisoner to surrender.